This video is going to be probably a two-parter, three-parter. So we got an AEM box here. This is for OBD1 Honda 306040. So this is the Series 2, not the Series 1. And we're just going to open up this box here. Yeah, there's really nothing to it. What do you got? Oh yeah, that's it. That's the improvement over Series 1. On that Series 1 box, you needed to have a serial port on your laptop. If you didn't have a serial port on your laptop, you had a real hard time. So the thing with laptops after, say, about 2005-ish, serial ports are really hard to come by. On a super high-end laptop, you could still get it, but on an everyday laptop, if you're lucky, you had a PCMCIA slot, and in that slot, you could get a dongle from a company by Socketed. It was a PCMCIA to serial port adapter. Now that one worked flawlessly. If you didn't have a card slot or a serial port, you had to get a USB to serial adapter. There's a number of companies that made them. Most of them didn't work. If you're lucky, you got one that did work. That was just a big flaw. So you had to have a super high-end laptop with the serial port. You got to spend a lot of money, and nobody wanted to do that. I didn't want to do that. It was just trouble. So the big Series 2 improvement here is the ability to run a USB cord right out of it into your laptop. Perfect. What else we got here? We got looks like 4 connectors. So this car has 3. OBD1 Honda has 3 connectors. So the 4th is probably for some sort of outputs for gauges. I guess I'll have to figure that out. Really, wow, there's really not much in this box. Oh, so there's your 4th connector with pins. And got some sticky Velcro. And we got our serial cable. So I don't think I'll be using this one. Actually, I looked on my laptop and I do have a serial adapter, so I could use it, but I'm gonna stick with the USB. May as well do that. But just in case, it's here. And no instructions, so I guess everything's online. So there's really not much to this unboxing. And hopefully the install and the running of this is gonna be just as easy. Yeah, really nothing to this. Anyways, so that's what I'm gonna be doing right now. So this will be part 1 of the vid, and then hopefully part 2 will be real soon, and that'll be the car running. Yeah, that's what you get for, I guess this is like $1,050, $1,100 US it was. But I've been sitting on this for quite a while. Anyways, so time to get to installing. Stay tuned.